We're gonna be all right. But that's how you build value. Right now, there's no value for you to sell. There's no value for somebody to come in with you. There's no value for somebody to be a partner with you. There's nothing for them to gain whatsoever. Have you filed an actual business entity?
No.
Then you don't have a business. Quit saying you have a business. You don't have a business. If you want a business, I can teach you how to start a business. But right now, you have a man's hobby that needs to either become a business or stay a hobby. But that man's going to have to make his decision.
Well, I haven't been able to find a job in years in this town. I apply and apply and apply and I can't find anything. And right now I'm just getting so damn frustrated that I'm just about to give up and just say the hell with this.
Yeah. Well, I tell you what, man, I hate to do it. We've been on here for about 38 minutes, but I think that I have breathed about as much air into this conversation as I possibly can afford to. The point is, you got to quit being negative, man. The answer,
Well, if I had a reason to be positive, I would.
well, you do. There's life out there. The whole point is every time that somebody tells you a suggestion, you can't say, oh, I can't, or it's too hard, or I haven't been able to. Man, why the hell not, man? Do you realize everybody's hiring out there? If you can't get a job, there's a problem, dude. There's a
Well,
problem.
I can't find
You ain't
one.
trying to get a job. Do you want to go stand? Hey, I'll tell you right now. No, mind you, this is being recorded. Do you want to come and stand under a canopy and sell cheap Chinese kid shit on the weekend for very minimal pay, but you'll make pay every damn day?
Well, I told you, I don't know how to sell. I've tried. If I knew how to sell, I would.
You do whatever the hell you're told to do by your boss. That's what it is. When you go to any job that you've never done, your boss tells you what to do and you go do it. You didn't go as an expert. You never been in it. Look, this is a job that I can teach a freaking immigrant to do. You don't have to be a genius here. You just have to be able to stand up, do a little math, take a payment, say thank you, be nice.
But how do I find the customers?
God damn, you don't have to do anything except stand there. If you were working at 7-Eleven, would I expect you to go stand outside and wave a flag? No, I'd expect you to stand there at the counter and wait for a customer to come to you. Okay.